Hey y'all, Kevin here, and this is Pure Reviews, where I review all kinds of products. So if you're new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button, and in particular you find this video useful, hit that like button before you go, maybe even leave a comment that simply says thanks. Really helps with the channel a ton, and I greatly appreciate it. So today's product is available online. I've included a link in the description. I'll take you directly to the product page where you can see the current price point, see if it's on sale, all that lovely information. But what is it? So today's product I want to share with you is absolutely perfect if you are tired of having a ton of remote controls that's going to be controlling all the various devices in your tech-heavy home. And that is because it is a universal remote control hub setup. This was sent over by a company called SofaBaton, and it's going to come in this little box right here, and it's going to come with everything you need. This is their X2 model, which is pretty awesome. So first off, let's go over at everything you get and what everything does right now. So once you unbox it, you're gonna get two main elements. First off, you are gonna get the little main hub here. So this is where you're gonna wanna have kind of with your main electronics. So think your DVD player, your receiver, your TV area, wherever that is. And so how you're gonna operate this is it's gonna have a little USB to USB-C cable, and it's gonna come with the adapters. And then you're just gonna simply plug it in right there on the back. There is a sync button to the left, and then this little hub is what is talking to the remote control device itself. Now you can have this sitting on a shelf exposed, or you can even have this in a drawer, which is pretty cool. So they're gonna send you these little antenna things right here. So if you do have this in the drawer, you'll wanna plug one of these in and have this little antenna sticking out somewhere so it can be sensed. Or if you have this out and about, and let's say you have a bunch of electronics in a drawer, you can go ahead and plug in the either one of these, and then put the little antennas inside the drawers, and it will automatically communicate to those various devices, making it absolutely great if you're wanting to hide away any of your electricity or your electronics. You don't have to open up any cabinets or anything when you're wanting to watch a movie or something like that, because it will communicate through these little infrared little transmitters, which is really, really awesome. Then the second element is going to be the remote control itself. It's gonna have a little charging stand, which is also gonna be plugged in with an adapter and a USB-C to USB-A cable. Put this wherever you want, and then you can go ahead and have the remote itself. Now it can be charged manually here on the bottom, but it has a little 2-point contacts to charge it up as well. And then as you can see here, it has a really bright, colorful touch screen that's very easy to activate and pick your devices. So you got your device section, you can set up a sleep timer, you can get into the settings, you can sync your devices, your activities, everything can be controlled right through the little touch screen itself. And then you're gonna notice down here, it looks like a standard remote control. You're gonna have the little kind of circle with a button in the middle. That's gonna allow you to go kind of up and down. You're gonna have your plus or minus. It's gonna be able to control the volume or your channels. And then you got the little arrows doing the same thing depending on your various devices. You even have the guide button, quick mute, a home button, play, pause, DVR, exit, fast forward, play, all that stuff. So it's all right here built into the device. And then you also have some quick little programmable buttons here at the bottom, whether you got some colors, red, green, yellow, or blue can be programmed in the ABC. Now, as far as setting up, very, very easy. You can do it through the remote control. I also recommend utilizing their app. It is the SofaBaton app, very easy to set up through there. Go ahead and add all your devices. You're gonna notice it's gonna have, like if you have a Samsung TV, it's gonna sit there and be able to show that, and it's gonna walk you through the steps as far as adding those individual devices to your remote control. And like I said, this is for a full smart home. So if you are wanting to utilize this for like an AC system, you can do that. You can utilize this for your receiver, your DVD player, your cable boxes, your TVs, any kind of smart application out there that does the infrared signals. It can do also the Wi-Fi signals. It does Bluetooth devices, and so those IR and RF devices as well. So it is packed full of little features. Now it's also going to support, if you want voice control with any of those things, you can set it up to where it'll communicate with Alexa, Google, Apple, and it will even do the IFTTT support as well if you want to get into your own programmable options as do this, do this. So you can literally set this thing up to do like one button control for the evening time, and it'll close your curtains if they're electronic. It'll go ahead and dim the lights, turn on your TV, and set it up for a movie, for example. If you set up those control options, it's really up to you. Now it's going to support up to 50 devices. So that's the max that you can load in here is 50 devices in total, which is a ton of devices. And like I said, it's easy to go through and cycle. As you can see, I got my Sonos Arc, my TV, I've got a bedroom light. All that is very accessible through the various devices. Now, as far as the range of this, it's gonna be about 40 feet because it's communicating to the base station via wireless. Like I said, though, if your device is an infrared, then you're going to want to have this plugged in so that way it can take the wireless signal, transfer it to the infrared, and send that signal out to the device. Now, let's say you do have your full home. You can just get this little kit itself, but it also has a kit with the little extender here, and that's what this little futuristic space ball is. All this is doing is extending it. So it's a little hub extender. You can put this in another room, and you can now literally use your remote control, and it will turn on or off, like, for example, the TV or the lights in your bedroom, and you're not even in there, which is really awesome. On the back of it, it has a place to plug it in, also the sync button, and then it comes with another little infrared little controller here unit as well. So like I said, you're gonna get plenty of options as far as utilizing it, and everything's very easy to set up. So if you're in the market and you're looking for one remote to rule them all and control all your devices, this one is totally worth checking out. If there's something I haven't quite covered that you're a little curious about, feel free to hit me up in the comment section. I do typically respond to those. That is it till next video. You guys, take it easy. Later. Congrats, you made it to the end of the video. Thank you very much. Greatly appreciated for the support. Be sure to hit that like button on the video. It really, really does help out. And if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell if you want to get notified when new videos come out on this channel.